Alright, welcome to Module 3. In this module, our expert will show you how to recruit permanent team members. So, get ready to take some notes and let's jump right in.
Okay, so for permanent team members for creative solutions, in our opinion, the absolute best place is onlinejobs.ph. There are two ways you can find the best workers on this platform. Number one, on the main page, you can check out profiles and resumes readily available to you. For example, let's select this one, Certified Public Accountant. You'll see the information about them like their profile summary, their ID proof or identity verification score, if they are available to use time proof, their expected salary, educational background and experience, basic information about them, their skill summary, and workers' skill set and their top skills, and so on. Next, let's check out the main menu that you'll find when you check out onlinejobs.ph. Okay, so we have here the Job Seeker tab, how it works, pricing, real results, post a job, sign up, and log in. Let's check out Job Seeker. The Job Seeker tab contains the latest job post for job seekers. So they can type here the type of jobs that they are looking for and then click search. This is how it would look like on the job seeker side. So they have the option to filter the category. For example, office and admin, virtual assistant, category, let's say human resource management, and for employment type, they can select freelance, part-time, full-time, and then click refine search results. So they should be able to find all office and admin virtual assistant job listings here. Next, we have the How It Works tab. We have 3 selection, employer FAQ, job seeker FAQ, and some blog posts on how to learn how to outsource in the Philippines. Let's select the employer FAQ. You will be greeted by John Jonas, the owner of onlinejobs.ph. And then the steps on how you can successfully hire a virtual assistant in the Philippines. Step 1, you can post a job or search resumes. Step 2, find the perfect staff member by communicating via email, interviewing them, finding the perfect fit, offering them a job. And step 3, you can hire and manage using time proof, easy pay for their payment, and some other frequently asked questions. Okay. Next, let's check the job seeker FAQ. Here you'll find some of the frequently asked questions for job seekers. Then we have the blog post. Okay, how to grow your business with virtual assistant. Basically, the overall experience of employers and companies that use the onlinejobs.ph platform. And then we have the pricing. So let's talk about the pricing a little bit. So we have 3 accounts. You have the free account, the pro account, and the premium account. All 3 accounts uses time proof. You can bookmark workers and easy pay. The only difference is the free account has some restrictions. You can check out the link here why they do not have free trial anymore. But for the free account, you can post 3 job posts. You have 2 days job post approval. You can view job applications, but you cannot communicate with the applicants or the workers. For the pro account, you can read worker reviews to check out the best candidate, hire workers, and contact 75 workers per month. For the premium account, this is, I think, for the bigger organization, you can hire workers, contact 500 workers a month, have unlimited background data checks, worker mentoring service, and video guide to outsourcing. Then we have the Real Results tab, which contains testimonials from employers and workers who have used onlinejobs.ph. And finally, it's time to post a job. So we first need to sign up and create our employer account. So let's select I'm an employer, type in your full name, email address, password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, then click register. Since I already have a free account, let's log in. Okay, this is how your dashboard will look like, or your account page looks like. You have your job post sections, your pinned worker sections, hired worker section, the training academy for an additional fee. You can give your VA or virtual assistant some trainings that they need. You have access to Easy Pay, your guides for outsourcing, and you can also refer a friend. And the bottom part contains quick links to the platform. Let's now start posting for a job ad. Click Add Job Post and fill out the job information. So for this example, we are looking for a virtual assistant. So virtual assistant, detail-oriented and driven. Type of employment, since we're looking for a permanent team member, let's select full-time. For the job description, I've prepared job summary and duties and responsibilities. And for the wage or salary, let's say 500 per month. Required ID proof, let's say 65. Our email and then contact person. Okay. Then we select job skills. For the primary skill, since we are looking for detail-oriented and driven, let's select office and admin virtual assistant, and we want someone who can use Excel. For the secondary skill, we want someone who has project management skill and who can do other project management. And then for the secondary skill, we want someone who can speak English or can communicate English. Okay? And then click Submit for review. Since this is a free account, we need to wait 2 working days for our post to be approved. And then once it's approved, this is how it would look like to our job seekers. So they'll see the title, they can apply or bookmark it, they can see the type of work, the salary, ID proof needed, and date it was posted. So all the information as well as the skill summary. And on your account, you have the option, you can see your account status here, your job posting, your account settings, your time proof, and you have the option to upgrade or to log out. Okay, next let's talk about your account settings. Once you click your account settings on the drop-down menu here, you'll see all the profile or your business information. You can type in your business name, your contact name, address, city, country, time zone, your zip code, telephone number, fax, and website, and then save the information. You also have the option to change your password and then save your login information if you need any changes. Next, let's talk about time proof. For workers, they need to download the Time Proof app, and for employers, they need to they can start using it by inviting their team members. It's easy to install and it's always free. So this is how the app looks like if you will be using it. And how it works is step 1, you need to provide the email address of your employees to use Time Proof. Number 2, the workers download the Time Proof, and only workers download and install it because employers will be able to view it on the reporting data on their account page. So once the worker starts logging in and working, the Timeproof app will be taking some screenshots of their screen, and it will measure the productivity and the time spent on the job that they're working.